side mirror za kitambo huwa zinanibamba. Zinaziko mbali. Sasa unaziona vizuri, unaona vizuri ikiwa huko? Place yenu ni safi sana. So Uhuru shosho yake, Uhuru anakujanga huku ideally.
Sasa huku ni kwa shosho yake.
Okay.
Kwenye mamake amezaliwa sasa.
Hii area sasa. Gatondo for us guys. Kiamwangi area. Kiamwangi. This car is older than most of us guys. Extremely old, but it still runs, still drives, and it refuses to die. This is the Datsun 120Y, a classic. Chuma ya kitambo imekataa kukufa. This is one of the toughest cars to be built by Nissan in the old eras. It's one of the toughest cars in Kenya and in Africa of its era. The Datsun 120Y was produced in the 1970s under Nissan's Datsun brand. It's a small rear-wheel drive sedan powered by a 1.2-liter petrol engine. It's simple, mechanical, and no computers. In Kenya and many parts of Africa, this car became everything. A family car, a taxi, it was a workhorse, and for many people, their first car. I'm guessing this is to turn on the lights. Hebu tuone kama lights zime turn on. Nope. There must be another trick. In. Not yet. So how do we do it? How do we turn on the lights? Must be that. Must be that. Let's see. Not yet. Najaribu kutafuta button ya mataa. Nilikuwa na guess. Oh, I was using this one. Hii haivaki. So inawaka. So kuwasha ni hivyo. So right now mataa zimewaka. Kamsi. So imewaka spotlights. On. Ziko on. Ziko on sai.
Ziko on?
So button the same?
No. Kuna button mwanya kado.
Okay. Yeah. The thing about old school cars, they had character. They had a lot of character. If we just look at these two round lights. On. Very beautiful, man. Design, grill. This car has a lot of potential. If you're interested in buying this car, reach out to me. I will connect you with the owner of the car. Tukujie hii gari. then it will be a start of a perfect project for you. Also, if you're selling a car and you'd love some help, reach out to me, please. I will help you out. Send me the details. I will come to the location, we do a video on the car, we review it, and we talk about it. Owners only. Usinitumie gari kama you're not the owner. Let's switch off the lights. Ndio. Yeah. Yeah, they are off. So now we need to look at the engine area. Under the hood is the legendary carbureted A12 engine. It's chain driven and extremely easy to work on. This car has no sensors, no ECUs, just regular warning lights. If it doesn't start, you can actually guess and try to figure out the problem. That simplicity is the reason why these cars are still running after 40 or even 50 years. It's an old classic. It's parallel to the body, to the chassis. So that means the gearbox, this must be a rear drive. Venye imekaa hivyo, must be a rear drive with the gearbox back there. We are going to check right now. That's the distributor, carburetor. This is the A12 engine. It's a chain carbureted engine. Sasa wale wanashinda wakisema fan belt. Sasa this is it. Unaona hii? Fan belt. So most modern cars don't have hii kitu ati fan belt or anything. The fans are mostly on the radiator. But these old cars, they had a fan belt that directly rotated the fan that sits on that's attached to the engine and directly attached to the alternator. The setup is very simple and not very complicated. Let's confirm if I am correct. Yeah, you can see that's a rear diff. That's the diff there. The suspension is a leaf spring rear. Front suspension is independent. Disc brakes at the front. And drums kama kawaida at the back. So it's a perfect project car. Driving a 120Y is not about speed. There is no power steering and the car feels raw. Cruising in the Datsun 120Y. At around 80 to 100 kilometers per hour. It's very slow by modern standards, but smooth and honest. You can hear every sound and feel every vibration. Kananibamba kakona roho, kakona nguvu, kanataka kwenda. Okay, apart from praising the car, let's be honest. This car is old. The biggest enemy of the 120Y is rust, especially on the floor, seals and the boot. Brakes are weak by today's standards, wiring can be tired and carburetors wear out definitely. But these are not design problems, it's just age catching up. As you know, with the classic car enthusiasts and petrol heads around, mods and engine swaps are a thing. So this is where things get interesting. Many owners upgrade to A14 and A15 engines and add a 5-speed gearbox or improve the brakes. Some even go extreme and slap in GA engines or even SR20s and the likes. The Datsun 120Y is not just transportation. It represents a time when cars were built to last, just like our B12s, when mechanics didn't need laptops and reliability mattered more than speed. And many people talk about them, yeah? So whether you love classics or you just respect tough engineering, the Datsun 120Y deserves its legend status. The car really wants to fly off, but I think rear drive is much more powerful. That was the review of the Nissan. Nimezoea Nissan mpaka calling it a Nissan. Datsun 120Y, which is also a Nissan brand, by the way, just before the Sunny era. This car is up for grabs. If you would like to purchase it and start a very fulfilling project, hit me up. My number is in the description. Also, if you're selling a car, reach out. I will help you document it and review it and show it to the world.